know what are the features that MaxMarket has and how it can help small businesses in order to market their product or services. So MaxMarket is basically an all-in-one marketing automation platform where it combines multiple software, multiple tools within a single software. Whereas if you take any marketing solutions like a MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, they are focused only towards the email marketing and automation and a few other marketing aspects. Whereas with MaxMarket, we had a chat with the small medium businesses where they've been struggling using multiple tools in order to achieve their marketing goals. So that's where we started up building the MaxMarket application. Why can't we have a single solution given to small businesses who is running the company with the 2 or 3 employees who can use the product, simplified product, to achieve their marketing goals. So that's how we integrated multiple tools like email, social marketing and automation and website analytics within the platform, and also the SEO audit to see how the website is performing, and also the live chat feature within that, and some other features. And we're also working on with the very promising feature in our future releases, which will definitely help small businesses to use a single product like MaxMarket to achieve their marketing goal. So as soon as you log into the platform, you will be landed to this dashboard. So this dashboard gives you a little visibility of what is happening on your account. So you can see the total number of visits that is happening, visitors coming to your website on this particular date range, and how many leads gets added on the specific date range, and how many campaigns you have sent. Out of those campaigns, how many emails has been sent. All those you can monitor here. And also you can have some leads overview, like overall how many leads you have in the system and in your account, and what is the lead count on the per month basis, what is your lead on the last month, and all those information. And also you can see the recent leads added into the system, and also the leads overview, and how on each day how many leads you got into the system, and the leads by source, by what are the sources you get the leads into the system, and your lead campaign, the last campaign performance, and also your last 3 campaign open rates. So just a basic information to get an idea what is happening in your account. And also we have a lightweight CRM, I would call it, so where you can manage your leads by segregating as a list. So we have a list management, so you can create any number of lists and manage the contacts within the list. So you can see in each contact how many, in each list how many contacts you have. All those details you can see. And also leads is basically list out all the leads. And if you want to list out any specific list, you can select the specific list and you can see what are the leads that you have in it. And in case if you want to add any one of your lead to different list, you can just select the list and you can move it to a different list as well. And you also have an option to add the lead manually with the basic information. Say for example, if you have a business card, and you can just enter with the business card information here. Or in case if you want to add a lead with the more information, you can also add the leads with the more information with the multiple fields over there. And apart from these basic fields, like if you wanted to add any custom fields, then you have a properties option where you can go ahead and create the field name and what should be the property type, the field type. Either it could be a number, string, pick list area, text area, or in a URL. So whatever the properties, the custom fields that you created, everything will be listed here, and that you can see it under the lead section at the bottom of it. And you do also have an option to download or export the contacts anytime. So you can select any of your list and export it anytime. And also you can, in case if you have any third-party CRM, and if you wanted to integrate or if you want to import the contacts from your CRM, just export the contact and import it by using the CSV, where you can just map the fields with your header of your CSV with the MaaxMarket lead field system. And you also, it gives you the complete report of how many success and failure you got on the import. And before I take into the email campaign and social media, I just wanted to address on the asset session. The asset session is something like where you can have your email templates saved and also scanning your web form. So first I'll take into the email builder section. In email builder section, we have a two type of editor. One is simple editor and another one is advanced drag and drop editor. The simple editor basically helps you to create plain text templates. So you can create any templates with more personalization by putting in a hashtag. It will pull the field, the contact fields here, so you can personalize your content. So anywhere in the body of your email, you can put whatever the customization that you require. And in case if you're designing any template outside the MaaxMarket in an HTML format, then you can just copy the HTML source and you can paste it over here in order to get the rich template out of it, where you can preview it, you can send a test email and verify it, and you can also save the template. The other one is the advanced drag and drop editor, on which we also have a pre-designed templates. You can use any one of the pre-designed templates and you can also customize it wherever you want it. You can do the customization, and also you can do the personalization wherever that you need it. So if you need any personalization, you can use the merge tags, where it pulls the fields what we have in our lead section. So you can put the first name to personalize the to send a personalized content to your recipients. And also you have a option to build the template from the scratch. So it's very straightforward and it will be very easy in order to do it. So you have to just add the rows that you wanted. You can just put it up whatever the rows that you needed, and you can put the contents wherever that you need. You can just put, you have to just drag and drop and build your template. So you can choose any images or text, and you can for the text you can choose whatever the colors that you wanted, and you can align it. Everything you can do it from here itself. And all the saved templates will be listed over here, which can be used for the email campaigns and for the automation. And you can also preview the template, how it looks in your mobile view, how it looks like in your desktop, in your mobile view and your inbox. And also, in case if you want to clone the template, you can clone it, you can delete it, you can edit it anytime, and you can use it for your campaigns. And the other one is a web form. So with MaaxMarket, we don't have a web form builder. We're currently working on, because our landing page is under the development, and we hope by end of December we have the landing page feature. And along with that, we will also include the web form builder. So any landing page builder requires the web form builder to have to capture the subscribers, right? So we're adding that by end of December. But in order to have the submission captures from your website, we do have a web form scanning system. So basically what it does is it scans the your form from your website, and captures the submission and add it as the lead. I can probably show you an example here. So in our form, in our website form, we do have a in our website, and under the blog section, we have a form here. So what you have to do is you have to just copy the URL, and you have to paste the URL here, and you can give some name, and you can just scan it. So what it does is it's go and scrub your website and pulls the form fields. So where you have to just map the your form fields with the MaxMarket lead fields, and you have to just track it form. So as soon as you start tracking it, whenever there is a submission happen on the particular form, we will capture that, and we will list out all the captured information. So you can see here who does that, and when it was happened, and also you get a complete insights of the particular form. So how many submission happens per day, and how many submission happens on past 30 days, submissions over the period, what is the best submission time, everything will be calculated, and you can see that in more insight. And these form captured also be used in the automation that I can show you later. And the next one which I have to cover is the email campaign. Email campaign is very straightforward. You don't need to have any SMTP settings to be added. It is as similar as what you do with other email marketing, like say for example MailChimp. So they don't get any SMTP from you, right? Similarly, like we don't get any SMTP details from you. We use our backend as a send grid in order to send the emails. So you can go ahead and create the campaign straightforward by giving the campaign name and the description, and you can select next. And here you can select the list. So whatever the list that you created under the lead section will be listed here. So here you can use even multiple lists. And you can just click on next. And now here it will list out all the templates that you designed and saved it in asset session. So you can select which template you wanted to send as a campaign. And in the next window, here you can give your sender name, your sender email address, and your subject line. And even if you wish to add an emojis, you can even add emojis as you wish. And either you can send it right away or you can send it later. You can just select the date and time when you want to send it. And you can also set the time zone that you wanted to send it. And when you click on next, it will list out all the categories here, so you can verify whether you have given all the parameters correctly, and you can just go ahead and schedule it. As soon as you schedule it, the email campaign gets triggered, and it will be sent out to the recipients added to the particular platform. And we do have option to preview this particular template, or you can edit the campaign, or even you can clone this campaign, and you can get a more analytics of a particular campaign. You can see how many total recipients added into it, and how many got sent, and how many got bounced, how many got unprocessed, unsubscribed, and who opens the email. You can also list out those emails. You can also export this, and if you have any backlink on your hyperlink on your templates, you can see who clicked those hyperlinks, and you can also export that as a CSV. Not only the open and click, you can also download the entire report as an CSV here. So all the reports, the email campaigns, whichever that you schedule, everything will be listed here. So you can come over and see all your campaign performance. And the next one I wanted to take to the social media. So in social media, we have been allowing businesses to add their social account, the Twitter profile, the Facebook page, the LinkedIn page, Google Plus, and Pinterest board, and also the Instagram. As of now, Instagram through Instagram you cannot post a message or images because Instagram has some limitations with their API. We're working with their support team in order to allow the post and messaging and imaging from the MaaxMarket tool itself, which will be available by early 2019. And we give a compose window here, and so you can see here I have added multiple Twitter account, Facebook account, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Google Plus here. So here you can just go ahead and compose your message and select your account, your social account, and you can post it across all the platform in a single click. So you don't need to log into each and every account in order to post your message. You can just select all your account and you can just click on the schedule now. And we also allow to share the URLs. So say for example you have a blog and you wanted to share that across your social network. So you can just come over here and put this URL of the blog, and it automatically pulls the title and description, and it gives you the complete history of it, and you can use what image you want to be posted for this particular blog. And you can just give the source URL, and you can just go ahead and share it right away, or you can even share it later. Or in case if you want to share an image to your social account, you can come to the image tab and you can choose the image that you wish to post, and you can just go ahead and upload it, and you can select whatever the account that you want to share, and you can just go ahead and schedule it. And we do have a very unique one with the MaaxMarket, where you can also manage all your social account within a single window. So from here itself, you have the ability to reply, retweet, and like it from here. And also for the Facebook, you can also do a command, and you can reply to the command. And also you can see the individual analytics of each and every post that you did on your Facebook page. And also whatever the scheduled posts are there, it will be listed here, so you can come over here and reschedule it, or you can even send it right away, or you can delete it, whatever you want. And also we allow competitors Facebook competitor page. So if you have any competitor, you can add their Facebook page here to get a performance between your Facebook profile and your Facebook page and your competitor's Facebook page. And also we allow analytics for the Facebook and the LinkedIn. So here you get more insight about your Facebook page. So you can select, if you're adding multiple pages, you can add all those multiple pages here. And we also allow Twitter automation. So basically you can create n number of messages using the macros, where you can personalize the content for your followers. So you can have n number of commands are added here. So randomly the comments will be posted to your followers. And the next one is automation. In automation, we have a trigger-based automation. So we have a few triggers and the action items here. We have a few triggers is not yet enabled, and we're working on for those triggers, which will be available by end of December. So let me show you an example of automation, how it works and how you can set up. Say for example, I'm taking the form submit. So we have already scanned the form and capturing the submission. So now what I wanted to do is I wanted to set up this form. So example, I'm taking the contact us form. I have a contact us form in a website, and if there is any submission happen on the contact us form, I wanted to send automated responses to that particular recipient. So once the submission happened onto my contact us form, I wanted to send a welcome email to that particular recipient. And also, I wanted to add the particular recipient into a specific lead in a list for my further communication. So here, for the send email, we have designed and templates and saved in the asset session. So it will show all the templates that you have designed. So you can choose what email should be sent and from which name and email address and the subject line, and save it. So, and also I want the lead to be added into the specific list. So here, whatever the list that you have in the lead section will be listed here. So you can choose to which list that particular lead to be added. And also I want my team member to get notified there is a submission happen on our website. So I can put all my team members' email address with a comma separated and given subject line, whatever that you wanted, and you can add it. And as soon as the lead get added into my list, I wanted to send an SMS to the particular recipient. So you can set, we using Twilio as a SMS provider. So you can add the Twilio API and you can start sending the SMS. You can customize or personalize your content, the message with the placeholders, and you can set it. And even here, after the welcome email, if you think like after 5 days, if you wanted to send in a different email to the same recipient, then you can set either 5 days or weeks or hours or months, whatever that you wanted. You can set it and you can send another email to the recipients. So here you can select which template you to be sent, and even you can choose a different sender name and the sender email and subject line, and you can do it. So you can just save this automation. So as per this particular automation, when a submission happened on my contact us form, the recipient gets an instant email immediately, and also the lead will get added to my list. My team will also get notified there is a submission happen on our website, and the recipient will get SMS after it added into the list, and the recipient after 5 days he received another email from MaaxMarket. So this is how you can build up your automation workflow, and we're also working on a lot more with an action based like yes or no type of actions with this automation, which will be available quite soon. So you have other triggers also, like a campaign, contact added to list, API trigger, all those options. And you can also see all the submission, like how many total recipients in the particular automation, and you can also see who are those recipients You can enable and resume the automation anytime. You can also see the report. You can see, edit and see what is the automation workflow, and you can delete the automation anytime. So now I'm going to show you the web analytics. The web analytics is something like what you see with Google Analytics, but whereas personally I would say like it is more than Google Analytics. We can show you with the micro details like from where the visitors are coming from, and whether they are the new visitor or a direct visitor. Are they coming through any search engine? Are they coming through any referral sites? Everything that you can monitor here. And also, if it is a returning visitor, you can also see how many times the particular visitor came to your website, and what are the time, and on each day, what are the page they came and they visited to your website. So here, one of the major feature that we're going to address in 2019 is we capturing a unique ID for each and every visitor. So we're going to use this unique ID by combining with MaaxMarket other lead capturing systems like a landing page and in form capturing. So in case if there is any submission happen on your form, we capture the submission and we apply that to this unique ID. So when a visitor comes to the website, that will be a unique ID for us. And if that visitor submitted any form on your website, that will be captured and assigned to this unique ID. So using that in future, we're going to give a lot of more automated responses to those recipients. So say for example, if a visitor comes and they submitted a contact us form on your website, so we capture that email address, the name, whatever the details, and we will assign that to this unique ID. So now you will have a place where you can create some kind of a workflow saying that if a visitor comes 3 times to my website and visited the pricing page for 3 times, send this particular email or send this particular message. Like that, you can create a workflow. So that automatically get triggered. So it will be easy for you to send some kind of a discount coupons and discounts to your visitors in order to get more sales and more visitors to your website. And apart from these, all these basic details, and also you can see through what are the referral sites you got the number of visits, and you can also see through social network how many visits came to your website. So all these information you can get it. So in order to do all these stuff, like the only aspects is like where you have to put in one simple snippet on your website. So we use a single snippet to achieve 3 tasks, which is one is web analytics, and another one is the web form capturing, and another one is live chat, and also for SEO audit. And in future, we're going to use the same snippet for the landing page also. So whenever you added your website within the MaaxMarket, you can go ahead and get the tracking code. So this tracking code snippet has to be put it on your website to achieve all these 4 category in our website. Sorry, in our web analytics section. And you can, in future, we're going to use the same for landing page also. So it will be useful in order to track your visitors and capture those visitors information. And we do also have a SEO audit. So SEO audit basically gives you the complete history of your page visits, that is your page breaks, all those stuff. And a live chat, let me show you from a different screen. So this is how the live chat looks like. So whoever visitor chat with you on your website initiates the chat, so you will get a notification in order to have a communication with them from here itself. And we have a basic calendar view to see what are the campaigns and what are the social campaigns you have. And activities, you can basically see who logged in, whether the campaign is sent successfully, all those details. And reports, we have a 3 level of report. Lead report is basically gives you how many leads coming into your system on daily basis. So you can see good insights of that. And campaigns, so here you can see all your past campaigns, even the campaigns that are scheduled a year ago. If you want to see any report out of it, you can come and see the reports. And form, so whatever the forms that you have, so for each and every form you can see how the submission is going on your forms that can be tracked down. And we have a settings which is company profiles, users. You can create multiple users, and we do have an API to integrate with your third-party application. And email sending domain, basically you have to add your domain in order to bypass via MaaxMarket at the top of the email header. And integrations we have with Slack and SMS for Twilio, and also for the full contact, we have a full contact API to be added. And apart from these, for agencies, we have portal. We allowing agencies to add and manage clients underneath their portal. So with the Deal Mirror subscribers, basically we have a 3 different plan. One is $39, $89, and $189. For $39 plan, all the Deal Mirror subscribers get 500 contacts with all the features. And for the $89 plan, you get 2,000 contact with all the features, where you can save up to 2,000 subscribers. And for the 39, up to 500 subscribers. And for 189, we allow, it's an agency plan, we allow up to 5,000 subscribers, and we enable agency portal for them. And also we give 2 sub account each with a $39 plan, which is 500 contact. So basically agencies have the ability to manage their clients from their portal itself. So say for example, you can go ahead and add your client with their company name and all those details, and you can decide whether you wanted to enable a web access to them or not. If you enable a web access, they will also receive an email to log in and to manage their campaigns and their social messages. They can see only their account information, not your account information or other client information. They will be able to log into their account and manage their schedules. If you uncheck it, they won't receive anything. You can completely manage their account and their campaigns. And we have an option to send the emails with your domain, so you can set your sender email and name. And also the notification, you can decide what are the notifications should be sent to your clients. And also we allow branding options, so you can choose your own image and you can customize your color theme. So when your client log in, they will see what your theme setting is and your logo on it. And the beauty here is like it is very simple in order to switch to your client name. So say now you see my own dashboard here. So if I'm going to switch to my client account, this is one of our trial account. So if you just search for your client name and you can just click on it, the entire user interface will be switched to your client account. So you have the complete ability to manage their campaign, their social messaging, everything. You can do it from here itself. So even if you're not enabling a web access to your client, you can basically take all these reports, whatever the activity that you do for your client, you can take a report and consolidate report in a Excel or on a PDF, and you can send it to your customer, and you can build them whatever you want, right? And to switch back to your main account, you can just click out of it, and you will be completely switched out of your client account, and it will be back to your primary account. So agencies has ability to add 2 sub accounts. So we will enable your primary account with the agency portal, and you can go ahead and create a 2 sub account under your agency account using this add new client. And once it is added, we will go ahead and activate those 2 accounts with the 500 contact each. So you can either you can use those contacts to for your client or for yourself to manage multiple websites, because in each account you will be able to add only 1 website to manage. And you have option to change password. You can see all our videos, help document, our developer portal, and anytime you can upgrade it from your one plan to another plan. So hope I have addressed all these information. Let me see whether there is any questions there. So items, yes. The agency portal comes with 5,000 contact and with a 2 sub account. So you can use those 2 sub account with the 500 contacts. In case if you want to upgrade it, you can contact us anytime to upgrade it. You can upgrade it to our monthly package, or if you wanted to go with only increasing the contacts, you can increase the contacts 1,000 contacts per $7 per 1,000 contacts per month. And the other question is when the landing page feature will be available. Yes, the landing page we're working on, which will be available by end of December. Thank you all. Thank you for joining this session, and have a wonderful day.